Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to dry the mops on XIAOMI Robot Vacuum X20 Max. If you'd like to dry the mops, you can click on Station right here, then tap on Dry. Your station will begin to dry the mops. The time of drying may vary depending on what you have set in the settings. By default, drying mops automatically happens after cleaning the whole house, after mopping it, after cleaning the mops also, but it depends on your settings. There's also a video about how to change the mop drying time and frequency in the settings. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.